Digital Profit Agency is the new SMMA, the new social media marketing agency. Gonna talk to you guys about that all in this video, break it down, and show you guys how in the next 7 weeks you can start your own digital profit agency, have your first 3 to 5 clients with social media, and be making over $100,000 per year. Yes, I did say in the next 7 weeks, I did say digital profit agency. What the heck is a digital profit agency, and how does it differ from an SMMA? Social media marketing agency, and how can you use social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, to get 3 to 5 clients in the next 7 weeks, paying you over $100,000, all in this video. Let's get it. What up everyone, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. So today I'm gonna talk about digital profit agencies, how you can start one and how you can use social media to actually get your first 3 to 5 clients. You can be using Instagram, you can be using a little bit of YouTube, and you can be using these stupid, simple Facebook posts to get clients. So I'm gonna break that all down inside this video. And first of all, you're probably wondering, what is a DPA? How does it differ from a social media marketing agency, okay? Social media marketing agencies, along with drop shipping, have kind of been the golden ticket of the past, but they become saturated, everybody's running them, and very few people are profiting from them. And the reality is, with social media marketing agencies, a lot of times your clients or yourself have to be in the USA or in the UK, and it doesn't work anywhere else. With a digital profit agency, there's 3 major reasons actually, why it works so well right now and why it's something that you can count on for the next decade or so. Nose itch really quick. Hey, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to hit that 8-figure level entrepreneurship, or even 7 figures, or even 6 figures, we're the channel for it. I'm breaking down all of that information, okay? So make sure you subscribe and dingle that little notification bell, or whatever you want to do with that, okay? So 3 reasons why DPA is better than an SMMA. The problem is with social media marketing agencies, your clients usually want you to help them grow their social media presence, and you are constantly having to manage new algorithms, algorithm updates, algorithm changes, a social media platform becoming irrelevant, TikTok taking Instagram over, etc. And it becomes such a horrible type of work that you don't enjoy doing it. The second reason digital profit agencies are better than SMMAs is because your clients are actually paying you to help them generate profits rather than grow a social media presence that's not necessarily buying, okay? So you're actually providing them an essential service that they need because they're looking to make sales. What's more important, sales or growing a little bit of social media that doesn't buy? And the third and the biggest and the most important reason why DPA, and specifically why DPA right now, smash that like button if you're loving this video so far, guys, is because right now we have an economical collapse. We're in an economic crisis. It's economic turmoil right now. And what happens with businesses, business owners, employers, people that are employed by businesses look for only things that are measurable and profitable. And if you think about it, during economic booms, right, the last few years, we've had a really good economy. It's been rising. Things changed, Corona happened, and the economy's tanking now. It's causing a recession. So what happens in an economic boom is businesses start to take on things and tools and resources and employees that they don't actually need. And then when the tables turn, when the script flips, and we're going into an economic crisis, they start to trim the fat, right? They start to get rid of things that aren't measurable and aren't profitable. A digital profit agency is only providing services that are measurable and profitable, and it can all be done using Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, which I'm gonna break down in just a second here, okay? So we arrive at a time right now, for example, where 19.9 million Americans have filed for unemployment. This is a record. This hasn't happened in your lifetime or my lifetime. And so businesses are trimming the fat because either the employee's not producing or the business can't afford to keep the employee at the salary they're paying them, so they cut them off. And now businesses are only looking for what's measurable and what's profitable. So where a DPA differs from a social media marketing agency is a digital profit agency is solely based on just that, creating digital profits for businesses. Now, in a little bit, I'm gonna tell you how you can start doing this with Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And I'm also gonna break down the 5 types of clients that you're gonna wanna work with. And these are the 5 only types of clients that you need to work with. There's not 6, there's not 8, nothing else. There's 5 types of clients to work with. And real quick, what I want to just interject here is, here's Thonda Taylor. Thonda actually landed a $7,000 deal up front and $1,000 recurring with his digital profit agency. He went through our training, and within the first couple weeks, he landed his first client. Okay, so this client is worth, my nose itches so much, like pollen or something. There's you can see the cherry tree, probably just the corner of it behind me. All the pollen and bugs, everything's coming out now. So Thonda Taylor here, $7,000 up front, $1,000 per month. This is a $19,000 annual deal for him. And then you've got Erica Mason here, contracted at $10K up front, and then $2,500 per month. So what's that? That's 25, 30. It's a $40,000 deal for her. So there's $59,000 worth of deals here that our students have already landed. So it just goes to show you this is working, it's relevant now, and this is what people want. Along with that, it's something that you can rely on that's not getting saturated like an SMMA, okay? This is, again, an essential service, and businesses are not only looking for it right now, but it's a service they continually need when the economy is booming, all right? So right now, DPA couldn't be a better time to start a DPA right now. So we're gonna break down the 5 types of clients that you're gonna wanna work with, and then we're gonna dive into how you can start doing this with social media, because the reality is, you don't actually need paid traffic. You don't need to be spending money on ads to do this. And that's amazing, right? Because everybody tells you to spend money on advertising. So the 5 cinco types of clients you're gonna be working with. First business you're gonna offer is local businesses, okay? These are businesses that might be brick and mortar, but they're under heavy restriction right now, so they need more profits online. Second type of business is a service-based business. So there's professional service providers. This could be somebody that is a chiropractor, or maybe they're a nutritionist, maybe they're a consultant online, a coach, they have a mentorship program or something like that. That's the second type of business that you'll service as a DPA agency owner, okay? The third type of business is a digital business, okay? These are people that are selling digital products, digital information. They maybe have coaching programs, they maybe have online courses, educational programs, training programs, and such like that. Fourth type of business is software-based businesses. For example, here is a client that we're working with that paid us $5,000 up front and then $2,000 recurring. Now, this is a software-based business. They actually have a software that helps people analyze their social media presence, and we're helping them acquire more digital profits for that, okay? And the fifth type of business is physical products, okay? This could be anything from e-commerce to people that are selling boots, watches, wallets, toys, candy, board games, anything like that, and they need digital profits as well. So those are the 5 types of businesses. In just a second here, I'm gonna show you guys how you can start doing this through social media and the 4 things that you need, okay? Before I dive into that, I wanted to show you another client of ours. Here's a service-based business. What we're doing is we're charging an upfront fee. I wanna give you an overview of what's happening here. We charge an upfront fee, in this case $12,000, and we're building them a client acquisition sales funnel. Now, in a little bit here, I'm gonna tell you how you can get access to our own client acquisition funnel so you don't have to reinvent the wheel and you don't have to do this for yourself, okay? We've already done it for you. Client acquisition funnel is basically like a website, but it's got a very specific offer. And a prospect will see this offer, they'll make a decision whether or not to give their name and email, they'll opt in, and they'll arrive at a value video, okay? This value video positions our client as an expert in their industry. So let's say they're offering antivirus or malware services or something like that, okay? So they'll see this little video that's like 3 to 5 minutes long where our client is talking about their services, what they offer, and if the prospect wants to know more, they can click the button below and apply to work with that person, okay? So all we're doing is creating this client acquisition funnel, all right? We're driving traffic, digital traffic into this funnel for our customer, all right? And these prospects are seeing our customer's offer and making a decision whether or not they want to do business with them. If they do, then our customer gets involved, completes the service, makes the money, and life goes on. And we do 2 things specifically here, okay? We use social media and paid advertising, and we use a client acquisition funnel. So when it comes down to it, all we're doing is we're using paid Facebook ads and driving traffic with the Facebook ads into our client acquisition funnel that we've built for our client. Got to move over here so I can continue talking to you guys, because Javier there took out the lawnmower, and yes, his name actually is Javier. So we use a client acquisition funnel. We use paid advertising to help our clients get digital profits. For you, all you're going to be doing is setting up a client acquisition funnel for any one of the 5 types of clients that have already been over with you, and you're going to run Facebook ads for them to help them create digital profits, okay? You're going to be able to charge an upfront fee for that sales funnel you create, which we're going to give to you, okay? And then you're going to charge a monthly management fee to run the ads, all right? On your side, the way you're going to get clients is you're simply going to prime your social media profile, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, provide value about digital profit agency, okay? About what digital profit agencies do, about how you can create digital profits for people, and give little tips and tricks. And if they want more value and want to learn more, then they go into your client acquisition funnel that you have. Again, we're going to show you how you can get access to this from us, okay? And you're simply going to use Facebook, Instagram, YouTube to be able to get your first 3 to 5 clients without paid advertising. Now, typically your clients are going to pay a minimum of $5,000 up front, all the way up to $25,000 up front, and then you're going to charge $2,000 to $5,000 a month for monthly ads management, okay? It's so killer, and it's the easiest money I've ever made. I'm working with people that love working with me. It's fulfilling. It allows me to have time and freedom of time. I have a huge influx of cash. The profit margins are extremely high. These are all the reasons, guys. Smash that like button if you're loving this video so far, okay? And then we just use our social media presence. So again, we just provide value. We get people to engage on that, and you don't have to have a huge following. They engage on it, we offer them more value in our client acquisition funnel, they apply to work with us, we close the deal, they pay us $5,000 up front, minimum, and then $2,000 per month. And that's why you can see, for example, right here, you can see this client, service-based business, paid us $12,000 up front, $2,000 a month. This client, $5,000, software-based business, $2,000 a month. This client, local business, $8,000 up front, $2,000 a month. That's $97,000 in income. And again, you can do this all inside the next 7 weeks. Now, we didn't stop there. We're contracting $200,000 to $500,000 per month in new client deals in our digital profit agency. This is the best online business to start in 2020. It's the easiest one, and it can all be set up inside 7 weeks. So what I'm going to do is click the link in the description here. I put together an entire free training for you guys to learn exactly how to start your own digital profit agency, the 4-step process, and you're going to see how you can actually get access to our client acquisition funnel so you can use it for yourself and you don't have to start over from scratch and reinvent the wheel, okay? You're going to see how you can get access to our mock-ups. So we already have sales funnel foundations already created for you, structured already, so you can use for all 5 of your types of clients, okay? And we're going to teach you how to get your first 3 to 5 clients through social media, and then how to scale with paid advertising once you have that huge influx of cash, all right? So link is in the description. Make sure to go there, make sure to register for that training, and make sure to attend, okay? And we're going to give you the exact process so you can learn how to start your own digital profit agency in just the next 7 weeks, okay? And what I want to do is I want to hear from you guys in the comments. How many of you guys are excited and want to start your own DPA? Let me know in the comments, and let me know your specific questions, okay? So drop it in the comments. I reply to every single one of your guys' comments. I value you guys. I appreciate you guys. Hey, thanks for the 5,000 subscribers. By the way, we hit that a few weeks ago. Our goal is to do 50,000 subscribers this year, so really appreciate you guys. Let me know your questions about starting a digital profit agency. Let me know in the comments, and make sure to attend to that training, and I'll see you guys next time. Everything just itches. It's probably Corona. Probably have Corona.